up, YouTube fam, and welcome back. If you are new, welcome. We are our family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Let me know down below how y'all are doing. So y'all know it's that time of year again. It's time for our babies to go back to school. So I'm doing this beautiful little girl's hair. We're actually gonna do just some regular box braids, but I'm gonna do the rubber band method. I was gonna do jumbo, but I didn't think jumbo would look right or last as long. As y'all know, kids are rough on hair. So I just decided to do more of like a large size box braid, but I didn't want it to be too uncomfortable for her. That's why I'm doing the rubber band method. And as y'all can see in the very beginning, I did add oil to the rubber bands that I'm using. That way it won't be as much tension on her scalp. Now, if y'all haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. And if you subscribe, it will greatly help us out. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. It's free 99, sis. Go ahead and do that for me. So, yeah, after you hit that subscribe button, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. And also hit that post notification bell so you won't miss the next upload. This baby was so, y'all, she is the sweetest little girl ever. Like, this is one of my friend's babies. And she is the sweetest. Like, I always enjoy when she comes see me. But I decided to do, a cute little style for her. I did a heart, well, 2 hearts up top, and then I even did her a butterfly around the back. Y'all, I tried to record it out for you guys, but I lost a lot of footage. My phone is acting real dumb right now. But anyways, that's neither here or there. Y'all can see me now doing the heart in the top of her head. Hearts are really easy to do. I do have a video up. If you don't know how to do the hearts, you can go back and check that out. And I also have a video up over the butterfly. If you haven't seen that, check that out as well. As y'all know, all of the products that I use, you'll be able to find in the description box on my Amazon storefront. And yeah, I decided to go ahead and, hook her up, add a little curl at the end, of course, just to, jazz it up a little bit. And yeah, she was ready for school. I hope y'all babies, if they are back in school, that they have a wonderful year. I'm praying for all the kids around the world because, as y'all know, so much has been going on, from COVID to the monkeypox to school shootings and all that. So I just pray that they have an amazing year and that they are safe. My God, I pray that they are safe. Yeah, as y'all know, I love y'all so much, and I want to thank y'all for rocking with your girl. As usual, I'm gonna just let y'all watch. If y'all have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down below, and I will definitely get back with you guys. If you have any hairstyle that you want to see, you can also leave that down below, and I will get it up for you. I love y'all again, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.